Hi everyone. I hope you will be fine. So today we are going to build one project. That project is house price prediction. So we are going to predict the rent of house from various city. That city will be like Kolkata, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. So we have one data set here. You can see, and in this data set there is various columns, various rows, and I will train the model using this data set. After that, after training this model, I will make one pickle file, and I will use that pickle file to make a web interface using Streamlit. So let's see. I will explain line by line the code. Okay. So first of all, we will see the demo how that project will look. So we have to run this code, and yeah, we will run this Streamlit code. Streamlit run app.py. It will take a little bit time. So wait, this code is going to load here, and it's running. I will give you quick explanation about this project. If you want a fuller explanation, just let me know in comment box. I will explain code each line by line. So how you will set up this project, I will explain you this also, and you can use this project in your college assignment and in your final year project. So this will be look like that apartment rent prediction app. You can change this headline also according to yourself. And so what we are going to select, we will select VHK 3 BHK flight, and we will select city. So we will select Hyderabad and furnished, and we are looking for family room, washroom, two washroom, and direct owner, and floor. Uh, Rental floor will be 9, total floor 16, and you can select anything randomly. And after that, when you will click here predict rent, then it will predict rent. Okay. So see, you can see the prediction rent. Okay. So how I did this project, I will explain you now. So let's jump on the code. So this is Streamlit code. We will discuss about this code. Before that, we will see that Python code. Okay. So this is the some libraries. As you know, I hope you know very well about machine learning, and maybe you will be familiar with NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and Plotless Plot. So what about this library? So I will give you quick explanation about this. So we use NumPy. NumPy is essential libraries, and we use for numerical operation, and Panda is for data manipulation, Seaborn for making a visualization, Plotly for interactive visualization. It's a powerful library. And if you will come here in this line of code, so what is this? This XGBoost and this LGM regressor. So what about this? So these are the machine learning algorithm. These are two powerful gradient boosting algorithm and used for regression task. They are great at handling structured data. Like once we have this in this project. And what about train? We use train test split to train the data and test the data. And if we'll see that we imported one hot and quarter standard scalar, and I hope you will be familiar with these all libraries. And randomizer be used for fine tuning. Okay. And pipeline make a streamline the process, applying transformation and fitting model. And one hot encoder convert categorical variable into numerical variable. And standard scaler is a feature scaling method that standardize numerical features, so the model does not favor variable with larger range. Okay. So let's come and see here. I loaded the data, and now we will come to the data cleaning. And here we are splitting floor column into two part, renter floor and total number of floor. And you can see the here by using this dot unique, that unique value of the renter floor and total number of floor. For I follow this step to clean the data cleaning. Okay. And now here we are, I am replacing a category value like a ground floor, upper basement, lower basement, and water and come to this here. I design. I used Seaborn. I use Seaborn to plot this renter floor and total number of floor. And again, if you will see this graph also, this graph are for categorical value. And come and I will show you some more graph here. We can see this interactive visualization. This is made by using Plotly. And come to, and it this is histogram is also designed by Plotly. Okay, you can see this interactive visualization. Now what about this? Here we are going to calculate a square feet. Okay, it's a standardized measure used for calculating rental cost. Okay, it will make easy for us. Here we are dropping that some rows where that square feet rent is above 57.94. And here we design a heat map to just to check that rent is which columns, which rows are, sorry, which columns are correlated to each other. Here we are training the model, and here we are making x and y where we have to predict rent. Okay, so that rent is an indivisible columns, and we are using trend test split from sklearn, and the test size is 0.25, and shuffle is true. Random state you can select true, you can select 42. And I use XGBoost regressor. After that LGBoost regressor. If you will see here, I use pipeline. For categorical value, I am using one hot encoder. For numpy, I am using a standard scaler. And using this, I got the accuracy is 97 and MA is 800. So now we will use another algorithm also, and that algorithm is LGM regressor, LGBM regressor. In short form, we can say that. Here also we are doing the same categorical value. Categorical, we are using one hot encoder. For numerical value, for numerical, we are using standard scaler. So we set a pipeline. First, we will pre-process the data, encoding and scaling. Then we will train using algorithm that we use XGBoost regressor there. And for that, we are doing same here with LightGBM regressor. It's another fantastic model. Okay, so if we will see the accuracy of this model, this is 98 and MA is 662. If we will compare both model, then this was great. So we will make one pickle file for it, and after that, and we have to always save this pickle file in write binary. Okay, now we are coming in the Streamlit code. So I am covering very fast. If you want full explanation while writing code, then that video become so long. So come and we will see that now this code. So here also we imported Streamlit, NumPy, Pandas, Pickle. So what about this library? So why we are importing Streamlit here? So this import Streamlit, a tool used to create interactive web application. NumPy and Pandas, you already know about that. What about Pickle? So this is used to load pre-trained model from a file. So where is pre-trained model? This is pre-trained model. We train this model using machine learning. This is a function where that user will give input, and we can see that some function here that st.slider. So it create a slider widget for numerical input like a number of washroom, rental floor, and that here one more is st.select box. So it's allow the user to select from a list of categorical value like their Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai. That user can select anyone. And that prediction logic is st.title. It's a title of that project. You can change this title according to yourself. And this is the header. Here we are taking new data, and that model dot predict there, that new data is the model will load using pickle file, use the input data to make prediction of the apartment. And that st dot success here, what it will show the result in the green box with estimated that value. Okay, and so this is the code of Streamlit. You will get this code in description box, either in comment box. And how to set up this project? So what you have to do, you have to make one folder. In that folder, you will you will make one app.py. Okay, like I made here, you can make another application.py, and you have to load this data. Okay, with you have to change the path of data, because here the data path is my local system path, and that if you want to train model by running that code, then you can train, otherwise you can use this pickle file. So again we will see that how it's working. Again we will open the terminal. Streamlit app dot sorry Streamlit run app dot py. So to run the code, you have to write Streamlit, and the application, that file name was app.py. That's why I write streamlit app.py. If your file name is application.py, then you have to write streamlit application.py. So this code is taking time to load. So again, I already showed you that, for example, if that we want 6 BHK flight in Bangalore, and furnished, and for uh, family, and the render for 22, we will select whole. Okay, is there anything left? No. So let's see that prediction price. So that prediction price you can see here. So that's all for today video. We have walked through the entire process of building an apartment and prediction app using Streamlit and pre-trained machine learning model. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and you are now more comfortable integrating machine learning model into interactive web application. So if you want the same thing using Flask, I can make. If you have any doubts, if you have any question, or if you need any clarification or any part of any code, feel free to drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Also hit the notification bell so you won't miss out in the future. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Happy coding, guys.